couldn't call myself a Pixel fan if I didn't speak on the Pixel Fold. And I don't share the enthusiasm as other people with foldable technology do. But I do share the enthusiasm that it's pretty awesome to see Google kind of do something different than just making the Pixel devices or the Pixel smartphones to be more specific. Now, let's just be honest here. It doesn't surprise me as some people are taking to the internet kind of talking about the pricing, which could be anywhere from $1,399 to $1,799. That doesn't surprise me because foldable technology is still a fairly new thing. You can price gouge the hell out of that because there's not really a lot of competition out there to try and set a standard of where the pricing should be. So yes, it's going to be kind of expensive, but again, to me, this is a novelty. This is, I don't want to call it gimmicky because there is some use for foldable technology. I mean, you get bigger display at times when you want it for media consumption, maybe for multitasking and things like that. So there are some good reasons that foldable technology is here, but it's not to say that like everybody needs to have a foldable device or that foldable devices will soon replace candy bar style smartphones. That to me is not ever going to happen. But this thing is going to be called the Pixel Notepad, or at least some are speculating that, and I hope it's that and not the Pixel Fold. That just seems very bland and kind of a rip from the company that's helping them, Samsung. I believe that spec-wise, it's going to have a lot of the things similar to the Pixel 7 Pro, minus a few things and some change-ups like Android 12L, which now verifies the reason why Google was so adamant in working for a version of Android that would adapt well to foldable displays. They're making one of their own.